Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of PrestaShop Rate Your Bought Product module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module, and I'll also show you that how your customers would get an option to review the product that they have already bought, and you can also provide a voucher on every review a customer gives. So let's just go to the PrestaShop back office where I have already installed this module. As you can see that the module is already installed in my PrestaShop. So let's just go to the configuration settings of the module. In the configuration settings, there are various sections. So we'll deal with each section and the option in each section one by one. The first one is approval settings. So let's see what all options are available here. First is review needs to be approved by admin. In case if you enable this option, then any customer who gives a review on any product would need to be approved by the admin. In case if the admin doesn't approve that review, then the review would not be visible to the other customers on the product page. And if you disable this option, then all the reviews given by all the customers would be automatically approved and would be visible to the other customers as soon as any customer gives the review. Next is customer can edit the review and customer can delete the review. In case if you enable this option, then any review given by the customer can be edited or deleted afterwards by that same customer. Then next comes status for review. This status corresponds to the order status. Here you can choose on which order status a customer would get an option to give review on the product that he or she bought. As you can see that I have selected to delivered, then until and unless the order status is set to delivered or updated to delivered, a customer would not get any option to give review on the product that he or she bought. Now let's come to the next section. The next section is comment setting. The first option is comment field should be mandatory. In case if you enable this option, then comment or any description about the review must be filled by the customer in order to post the review or give the review on any product that he or she bought. Then next is, do you want to set character limit for the comments? In case if you enable this option, then you would also need to enter the character limit that you are allowing your customer for to add the comments. Let's say if it's 1000 here as per the setting, then no customer would be able to add any comment more than 1000 character limit. Under 1000 character limit, he could add any comment or she could add any comment that they want. Then next is display comments on the product page. If you enable this option, here you need to enter how many comments you want to show on the product page. As you can see here it is 10, then no more than 10 comments would be visible to the other customer. Then next is position to display top rated products. Where you want to display the top rated products on the front end, you can select here, that is whether it is in left column or right column. You can accordingly choose. Now next comes the email and reminder setting. There are three sections in this particular section. First is admin notification, email on customer review, and email on voucher creation. Every time a customer gives a review and a voucher is created, an email would be received by the admin. Then next is customer notification settings. The option rating reminder email. In case if you enable this option, then your customer would receive an email to rate the product. Let's say if he bought the product few days before and he has not given any review, then you can just simply remind him to give the review in order to acquire the voucher or get the voucher. Then next is discount for the customer who rate. In case if you enable this option, then only your customer would be able to get the discount voucher. Otherwise, no voucher would be sent along with the email. Then next is time period of rating to receive a voucher. Here, as you can see, it's set to 7 days. In case if a customer gives a review or posts a review successfully within the 7 days of purchasing a product, then he or she would be eligible to get the discount voucher created by you on giving a review. Otherwise, after the 7-day period, they would not be getting any kind of discount voucher even if they post a review. The next section is of voucher settings. It's similar as it is available in the PrestaShop. Now next is auto approve reward voucher. In case if it's enabled, then on giving a review, every customer would receive a voucher automatically. But let's just disable this option for now, because I will show you how you can approve the voucher after a customer gives a review. Then next is highlight. In case if this option is enabled, then the voucher is highlighted at the cart page. Whether you are allowing for partial use or not, you can enable that. Voucher code prefix, voucher validity, these are all the same option that is available already in the PrestaShop when you create a discount voucher. Now apply a discount, whether it's in percent or amount, the value of percent, or if it's amount, then value you need to define here. The minimum amount, that is the minimum cart value that must be there to apply this particular voucher. Compatibility with other cart rules, then let's say if other cart rules are also applicable or active, then whether this particular cart rule would be compatible with them or not, you can enable this option or disable as per your own choice. Then category restriction, this is the same as you get in the PrestaShop. Now let's just go to the PrestaShop front end, where I will show you how a customer can purchase a product and give a review afterwards. Let's just proceed to buy a product first. As you can see, the rating voucher is available here because this customer has already given a review and got a voucher already. But let's just ignore that for now, because we have enabled the option of highlighting. So let's just disable that highlight option for now so that you don't get confused. After saving the option, there might be some issue, but let's just proceed to see how a customer can give a review on the product that he or she buys. Let's proceed to checkout. After placing the order, a customer doesn't get any option to review the product, because the initial order status is somewhat different than what we have chosen in the module configuration settings. This is the order confirmation page. The option to give a review comes on the order details page. So here is the order details page. As you can see that there is no option here to give a review. So let's just go to the order section. We'll just change the status to delivered, because that's what we selected in order to let a customer give a review in the module configuration settings. So until this setting is updated, now as you can see this setting is updated. So let's just refresh this page, and as you can see that this new option is now available here to give a review. Now here a customer can successfully give a review. Let's just give some review here. This is the comment option that what I was explaining you. The character limit for that comment option applies here. That is no more than 1000 characters could be entered here. So let's just enter something here just for the sake of a review. After saving this review, it would not be automatically visible because we have enabled the option to approve the review and the voucher, all of them. And as you can see that this status is pending. And here, as per the setting, the option to view, edit and delete, all options are available here. A customer can choose to edit also, and on clicking this option the review would also be deleted. Now let's just go to the product page first. This is Mug the Adventure Begins. As you can see that no reviews are currently available on this product page. So let me just take you to the product rating section. Here, as you can see that this new entry is now available, that is customer has given on the review on this product, but the status is disabled. So let's just enable this product rating review option. Now you would see that this review option is now available. Review option, not reviews box, is available. The review given by the customer is now visible, and this would be visible to the other customers too. Now let me just take you to the voucher detail section, where you can see that this voucher was already available to the customer, as you have already noticed previously in the video when we were trying to order the product. Because this voucher was available to the customer on giving a review on any other product. So let me just tell you how you can enable the voucher or provide the voucher on this review, on this particular review that the customer just gave. As you can see that this previous review, which I was just telling you, that you can also notice that this code is same here and here too, because this was for the other product, that is hummingbird printed sweater. But recently we tried to give the review on this through that customer account. So let's just go to edit this option. On editing, you get the following options. Let's just approve this voucher. On approving the voucher, you would be able to observe that a customer is now having two vouchers, because he also got another voucher for this particular product on which he gave review, that is this Mug the Adventure Begins. Now you can also see the history of all the vouchers generated for every customer here in this section. You can click on this view option to see all the details of the voucher. You can also choose to edit the details. So this was all about the PrestaShop Rate Your Bot product module. I hope this video helps you to configure and use the module in the best possible way. Thank you.